What's up, everybody? This is Dateron Dean from Unclouded Recruit. Today I'm going mystery shopping to check out some boots, and I'm going to try to tell you a little bit more about what mystery shopping is and how you can get involved. So mystery shopping is actually my second little side hustle I have going on right now, and this is actually going to be my second time actually doing that. So I'm excited, so let's get it started. So what exactly is secret shopping? Secret shopping is a process of providing reviews and going to different sites and doing different services for different companies. So I'm pretty much like an independent contractor, and I go out and observe these businesses and organizations within the community. So right now I'm in Nashville, Tennessee, and we're headed to Broadway, downtown Broadway, to kind of do a review on this. This is my second time doing this. I did one in Fort Lauderdale right during COVID. It was a pretty good experience, very extensive. It was a restaurant that I went to, me and my spouse, and it was pretty cool. And a lot of times these different mystery shops, you have to do different activities, such as take a picture, or sometimes you have to walk around and ask certain questions, get names and roles, and look at their uniform to make sure they're presentable for different customers. Because a lot of times these owners, they want information about how their business is being ran. Maybe they're out of state, out of country, and they want to just get a visual understanding of what's going on with their companies.
Next minute calling for the Lord. Go best friend, go best friend. Oh man, now my pocket's swollen, yeah. Oh man. Right now, I'm going to Chicago tomorrow.
Downtown Nashville, Broadway. We're here, about to walk into the store, get the information I need. We're gonna be out. So guys, we're done. We did the event, we did the activity. Now I'm on my way back home. Broadway was kind of packed today.